Them never want me great long time.
Vybz Kartel have no job is long awaited album God and Time. People, me not tell no lie. Right now me have this a play from last night till now. No sleep. God and Time, and I want to understand. I'm trying to get myself together. I want to understand message where this album represent. Pay attention to the songs. Meaningful and the past leg up on the chop. I will say God and Time, long time.
Me say God and time, long time. Me say God and time, long time.
See a long time.
God and Time. We not tell no lie, people. This is one of the best body I work by Vybz Kartel in such a long time. I don't know if you have follow it, but I know drop in the comments and let me know. Which one are your favorite song? What is your favorite song from the album? Because the Skilly Kartel, you know, that are one of my favorite, you know. When the man come in and the man say, he got my mentor Bounty Killer. I want to understand the powers of Vybz Kartel I fight with right now. That man will never see a bad day, bro. Vybz Kartel I play one game and I serve a higher purpose. Most of we not going to understand. You can't take away with Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, Baby Sham. None of them man they do. You can't take away that from out of dancehall again. And when Movado and Vybz Kartel say, there will never be a next Vybz Kartel and Movado, I break it down, because I know the younger youth them are pre as job. The younger youth them have all of the world to do better and bigger than what Movado and Kartel do. If you don't put in the work. But the man them must say is, you will never have another Vybz Kartel and Movado. That column there done set in the foundation already. Just like how you have Beenie Man and you have Bounty Killer, Spragga Benz, Buju Banton. Them man they done cement in a one thing already. But God and Time, people, check out the album. What is your favorite music on this album? What are your favorite track? If you don't get it first time, the second time or third time listening to the album, you will get a deeper understanding. You will understand things. Because even me now, when I listen to the song 4 or 5 times, every time I go back, I get a new meaning. I get something I never get before. And that is the thing about Vybz Kartel. You hear one thing, and you sit down and you meds it, and I never smoke. You understand what I mean? So don't blame it on the smoking and say, I chew me high. Early in the morning, welcome to Chat Free TV. Popcorn are the good. Unruly boss. You get me, I say? Dancer look good right now. Yeah, tell me, say, after you guys had a fight, the hotel staff have to come move, you know. She was found dead after that. And rule it suicide because of the depression. Them thing there. That makes sense? So now people, me know you cannot see depression. Me not say you can't see depression. But look on the girl following couple days them before everything. This look like somebody where I got through depression to you. My boy there, it look like say a white man now, he start give her money and things. You see when she take all a picture, you know, and tell himself to step aside so she can take one beside the lion. Them thing they go to him heart. She young, beautiful. This is a black queen and him know she the top of the market. Him know all of them things there. So now them have argument now. She probably tell him say, allegedly tell him say, this is my opinion. Me never did it. She probably tell him say, yo, after we reach home back, the thing done. Me no want you again. Him feel like say he must spend a take care of a basketball game all around the country, all around the world. And she probably tell him that and him just kill her, bro. Them pay Tanzania some money, brother, and them just cover up the whole thing. That is my opinion, bro. That is my opinion, fam. I'm not hold long my mouth and talk, bro. This is not somebody where I go take them own life because them depressed, bro. Fuck you tell me, say man. Them pay money. We sell out ourselves again, brother. We sell out to own again for money, bro. Them pay some money to get this thing. Watch out. This look like somebody that I go suicide. I go take them own life because them fucking depressed, bro. Man. The white boy feel like say the girl probably tell the white boy say, yo, when we go back a yard, you're done, Everything done, I get a real brother if it dig out the middle, And when him go look pan all how him spend already, him can't take it water and kill you. And because him have money, him pay the hungry belly African people and they just cover it up. And that's why I'm telling say people, we live in a world where money is everything. Money is everything. Money worth more than life itself, bro. Watch him, man. Look on this man, bro. Look on him. Him look evil, dog. Him look like this is an evil man. You can see the evil in his eyes, bro. You don't drop in the comments and make me know what you think. If me crazy, you don't make me know what you think, bro. This look like somebody we are gonna kill themselves with depression, bro. This is a black queen, bro. You can't see depression, dog. You can't see depression. You can't see when somebody, you can't see the signs, bro. Fuck that. You can't see the signs. This pussy are just bad mind the girl and kill the girl again, brother. Him do something and the girl tell him say, yo, at the last, this done with me, And him can't take it, him kill the girl, brother. No joke, fam. No joke, fam. We can't do nothing no more than just take that, bro. We cannot do anything more than just take that. You see me, I say, fam? It is hurtful. It's like no protection on the out of you, dog. Why? You have to protect yourself at all because it look like, brother. I saw them stay a long time. Them never want me great long time. Them never want me great long time. I saw them stay a long time. What the fuck are them bad mind? You know what the fuck are them bad mind? Them not know see a cartel time. None of them can take the man mic. Them fi know see a God me say long time. I saw them stay a long time. Then the boy feel like say them can call me down and them can, when me say something, them can run up on me. Never have no bully, brother. Never have no bully. As small as me is, brother, a whole heap of giant me fling down there. Yeah, man, me could die about it now, man. So, if you're not ready to die about it now, brother, just leave me alone there. You see me, I say? And speaking of die about it, we see the Chinese people, them will shoot the little black youth. You see me, I say? Them get off of the case. More than one shoot him get involved in now, but he gone home. You dead. Them say them find him with a gun, with a pew or whatever them want to call it. But this is America, bro. Them say you can't open carry, in some places you can't even open carry. So why having a gun is such a demonizing thing in America when one black boy dead now and him have a gun? What is the matter? What are we talking about, bro? Mankind only understand violence, bro. Black people cannot see that. The man then come and them use Bible and words and sweet talk and take and enslave, bro. Hundreds of years them erase with history. Now we are dog. Now we are vermin in the streets, bro. We get shoot and kill like animal. And we still turn the other cheek. We not inside violence, And fuck it if I am. We are living in violence. We have faced violence for 400 years. Non-stop. Inciting violence. It me say, if a boy kill my pick-me or anybody for me, when me feel like say, yo, personal to me. A blood for blood, brother. And that's how me stand about mine, bro. So that's why I stay out of people here, because just imagine if that was my son. Me nah wait for no courts. Me nah wait for no courts. Me govern by different rules and laws. And that's why me try to stay out of the government way. Because when a man I go take up himself and him a come out and we come harm me or my family, me not trouble people. Me talk about massacre and them and the rich. Me not talk about poor people. We talk about bounty killer and them and the legend, them and in our back them here if you look for little old me. That's why me not talk about little boy. Cause them little man are sensitive and them have girl ways. A boy can't feel like say them can't see me talk something and then come box me in my mouth. Gunshot. I mean I lick down boy with big stone when they violate man. Anything on old man say, what you think I got me now? I'm tell you man, I'll bite up boy man. Bigger boy on me man. Anything when old man. But different from long time, man. Cause when me I tell my brethren them say, if a man, if man a gang me and them thing, them I go bite up, man. Them man them a laugh after me. That means say, you know, no real warrior then. I'm tell you, this is why me don't trouble people, brother. Because I see if me want to do something and me can't do you, me a fight me all a ball, brother. I will ball when me get mad, brother. Just because me can't do what me really want to do. And that's why me stay out of people here, brother. Cause a man, sometimes people talk tough and them thing, they brother. And Jamaica is a peaceful country and I want it to remain that way. Despite where them wanna paint a picture, we say Jamaica the worst place and the violence and all of them things. Who they abroad, we know. Time I go out of my yard right now, me know me can step out there and get a gunshot. As me left my door, me have to tell myself that. Every time I left out of my yard and come back since me live a foreign, me know a battlefield me a go on and me have a skill to come back. Yeah, that is how me operate a foreign. At Jamaica now, and we have more chance to do me things at Jamaica. Cause Jamaica, me sleep out with my room, when my door open, me walk any lane and light, go anywhere. Me there St. Thomas, me there we are Manchester, in a people community and late night. Yes, who easy if you get knocked at Jamaica. But you see foreign, you have to depend on guard like you're in a army 24/7.